Ever wonder if the flour you're using is actually good for you? Let's dive in and rank some of the most common and uncommon flours out there. First up, OO flour, also known as Dapio Zero flour. You'll find this in authentic pizza and pasta recipes. It's made from durum wheat and is super finely ground, which is what the OO refers to. Nutritionally, it's not great. It's a highly refined flour with very little fiber and a high glycemic index, meaning it can spike your blood sugar. It's usually not even enriched with extra nutrients like other refined flours. Since it was clearly designed for texture, not health, OO flour is going straight into the D tier. Next, let's look at something a bit different. Acorn flour. This one is pretty impressive. It's made from dried ground and leached acorns. The leaching process is key because it removes most of the tannins, which are anti-nutrients. Acorn flour is high in calories, but it's packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. Now, for the pantry staple, all-purpose flour. It's literally everywhere, from cakes to breads. This is a refined flour, but it's often enriched, which boosts its content of B vitamins and selenium. However, enriched doesn't mean healthy. It's still low in fiber and has a high glycemic index, similar to OO flour, because it falls short in so many nutritional aspects, despite its versatility in the kitchen. All-purpose flour also lands in the digit. Finally, the superstar almond flour. This is a high-calorie flour with an incredible nutrient profile. Made simply from ground, blanched almonds, it's high in protein and healthy fats. It's the best source of skin-loving vitamin E on this list and is loaded with B vitamins, copper, phosphorus, and magnesium. Studies show it can help lower bad cholesterol and blood pressure, and it's fantastic for keeping blood sugar levels stable. It lives up to the hype. Anything made from almonds seems to be pretty great. Almond flour easily takes its place in the